Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a nice week. Tonight I have an unboxing for you guys. It's one I've been waiting for patiently and I'm really excited to get into it, and I managed to grab it today. So let's get into the package and find out what company I've ordered from. It's a US company. Get the bag out, get everything out. I've been excited for this package. That's my shipping info. I'll give you a clue. The company, how cool is that? Honyocker, US company. That is a cool sticker. That is going straight on my coffee mug. That is awesome. There you go. Got the card. That's awesome. The owner's name is Adam, and we have a note. Chris, man, thank you so much for your order and support. Truly hope you enjoy the new gear, Adam. Again, handwritten note. Always appreciate it. Goes a long way. Thank you very much. Let's get out what we got. All right. The combo I have chose to go for is the humidor, and that is his take on a nice cigar blend. I think it had hints of vanilla and nut and spice. That's the oil we got. Open that up in a minute. This is an early birthday present, actually. Birthday's not for 2 weeks, but early birthday present. And I also got it in the butter, because I'm loving my butter. And before we get into that, I see there's an extra little package here to have a look at. Oh, how cool is that? That is nice. Adam very kindly has sent me out little testers for Avenue Blue. That's awesome. Oh, the Elder. That's going to be awesome to try, because the Elder actually was another one on my radar. We got the tester for the Elder. That's going to be awesome. And we've got Memories, which I think hasn't that long been out. So we've got 3 testers. Thank you so much, Adam. Really appreciate that, mate. But one we're looking for tonight. As I said, this is just an unboxing and just a quick first impressions. I'm going to be using these products over time, and a full review will come in time. But I'm so excited to try this humidor. Oh, let's just have a moment. Wow, that is smelling nice. Got to get a bit out. A couple of drops. I love my cigar scents, and just second I seen this on the website, I was like, this is the one to try. First time trying this company, and I thought this has got to be the one to start with. Wow. That smells. Not wasting any. Wow, that smells fantastic. I am so pleased. This was my first one to try. In fact, a good friend of mine, when I was asking his advice, John Higley, the beard mixologist, I think he's tried quite a few from this company, and I asked his advice and opinion, and as he knows I like my cigar scents, he pointed me in the right way. So I'm very excited to get this into beard. It smells awesome. Oh, that's my scent all over. That is smelling awesome. Thank you, Adam. I'm gonna be trying. This is all coming. Then we got the balm. Not the balm, sorry. Butter. Have a look. Look at that. Love the tins. Black tin. Oh, soft. Smooth as. This is going straight in beard. Not wasting this. Work it in. Yeah, it melts straight down. Oh, that is smelling. That is smelling. Wow. On there. Wow, that scent is so nice. That scent is so nice. I am so pleased. Oh, that is lovely. Absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I've been sitting patiently about a week and a half actually. Really fast, a really fast delivery actually from the US. About a week and a half to get my order, and wow, I'm so pleased. The humidor was my first one to try. It smells absolutely. Oh, that smells awesome. So yeah, this was the unboxing for you guys tonight, and first impressions. My first impressions, I am very, very impressed. The scent smells, wow, amazing. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be getting bored of that, and that is a nice sized tin butter. That is awesome. So yeah, this is the first time I've ordered from Honyocker, and first impressions, I'm very impressed. Smells fantastic. Got the oil. And of course, thank you ever so much, Adam, for sending out the testers. I really appreciate that, mate. Memories, the Elder, definitely looking forward to trying that. And he sent me Avenue Blue. Thank you ever so much, mate. I really appreciate that. 3 little testers to try out, but the humidor, mate, that smells fantastic. I'm going to link the company down below anyway. But yeah, first time trying this company, and look at the sticker. How cool. That's going straight on my coffee mug. That looks awesome. And of course, handwritten note. Always appreciate a handwritten note. Yeah, overall fantastic. It come in a nice drawstring bag. But oh, that scent, God, that is good. That smells cigar, spice. Oh, that smells fantastic. So unboxing done. First impressions, smell amazing. I'm going to do a full review in time. I'm going to spend a bit of time using the products. I got the oil and I got the butter. So excited. Yeah, that's my unboxing for you guys tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again, Adam, and thank you to John for pointing me for this one to try for my first one. I'm so glad I did, because it smells amazing. And I'm going to be back at the end of the week with a review. And until then, you take it easy and take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, guys.